championship, bawal din po yung may balbas at bigote.
Pier 16 versus Checker Team. Okay. Jump ball. Checker ball. Number 25 pass to number for 2 points by number. Kalimutan mo na. Two.
Uy, bawal kayo dito.
Ay,
Number 7, Artes. Bigay kay number 20.
bawal dito, bawal.
Yun, kay number 4. Easy 2 points by number 4. Inbound number 20, pass to number 6. Number 8, jump shot, no good.
Asa si Kuya ko?
Oh,
Bumaluktot yung mga bakal.
number 6, Dignos. Pass to number 7, Artes. Foul rep, number 25. First personal foul, first team foul.
Ay! Ang kulit ninyo. Tol! Lumipat lang kayo eh. Di ba bawal na? Mas makulit ako sa inyo. Wala lang kayo.
Number 27, binaba na ang bola. Ipinasa ka number 25, pinigay kay number 22, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number... Oh! Natapakan ng bola. Loose ball, Checker team ball.
Pero,
Inbound. Number 27. Number 25. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 7. Ng player 16. Artes. Pass break to number 6. Nakabutan. Pinasa kay number 8. Number 8 dribble the ball. Jump shot for 2 points. Inbound number 27. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Pinabaan na ang bola. Number 27, sumalaksak. Nabitawan ng bola, nakuha ni number 8, pass break kay number 6. Number 6, Dignos, binigay kay number 7, Artes, for 2 points. All 4. Score, all 4, all 4. Number 27, dribble the ball. Number 27, foul. Number 8. First personal foul. First team foul. Still by number 8. Pass to number 6. Dignos for 2. Inbound number 27. Pass to number 2. Number 2 dribble the ball. Number 2, oh, foul. Number 6, first personal foul, second personal foul, second team foul.
First, second.
ang gulo nyo naman!
First. Number 27, pass to number 2, jump shot. No good. Rebound by, yun, ako ni number 25. Napitawan ng bola, kaya outside, pure 16 ball. Inbound number 8, pass to number 7. Number 7, Artes. Dribble the ball. Ibinigay kay number 6, Dignos. Jump shot for 2. Labang na ng 4 ng pure 16 team. Number 27, binaba na ang bola. Pinasa kay number 4, take shot. Sumalaksak. Blocked by number 7. Same ball. Inbound Number 25, pass to number 4. Number 4, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 13. Number 13, pass to number 8. Number 8, going down. Number 7, sumalaksak. Artes for 2 points. Ang Artes. Number 27, dribble the ball. Pass to number 22, jump shot. No good. Rebound to number 20. Number 6, Dignos. No good. Ang tirang left. Nakuha pa rin ni Dignos ang bola. Number 6. Number 6, dribble the ball. Pass to number 7. Number 7, sumalaksak. Artes for 2. Ang Artes. Number 27, pinababa ang bola. Remaining time, last 4 minutes. Last 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Still, the number 7, pass to number, yun, nakuha pa rin ni number 6 ang bola, Dignos. Pass to number 8, is still by number 27 ng Checker team. Number 27, binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 22, jump shot for 2. Time out, Pure 16 team. Next. Payawa. Back to the ball game. Inbound. Inbound number. Inbound number 3. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 18. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 14 ang bola. Pass to number 18. Jump shot again for 2 points. Inbound number 25. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Dribble the ball. Still by number 3. Ayun. Jump ball. Jump ball. Checker ball. Checker team ball. Inbound. Oh, Pier 16 ball pala. Number 1. Pass to number 14. Gonzalez. Jump shot for 3 points. Number 27. Number 2, pass to number 25, binigay kay number 11. Number 11, sumalaksak pero pinasa kay number 2. Oh! Troubling violation. Inbound number 14, pass to number 16. Number 16, jump shot for 2 points. Number 27, binababa ang bola. Pass to number 2. Number 2, ipinigay kay number 11. Outside! Inbound, number 1. Pass to number 14. Wala kang aking magulang eh. Number 3, pass to number 14. Pinigay kay number 18. Pass to number 16. Number 16, dribble the ball. Pass to number 14. Time to shoot! Number 1. Jump shot by number 18, no good. Oh, Pure 16 team ball. Galing, nahabol niya ng ganun. Inbound, number 1. Pass to number 18. Number 18, jump shot, no good. Good. Inbound, number 27, pass to number 20, back to number 27. Number 27, sumalaksak, jump shot, no good. Nakuha pa rin number 27, foul. Who's foul rep, number 16. First personal foul, third team foul. 3 shots to Paltrow. No good. Last 1 shot to Paltrow. No good again. Nakuha ni number 14 ang bola. Gonzales. Binigay kay number 1 ang bola. Sumalaksak. Jump shot. No good. Rebound kay number 11. Pass to number 03. Binigay kay number 27. Number 27. Binaba ng bola. Dinirecho na. For 2 points. Number 27. Number 14. Binaba ng bola. Number 14, dribble the ball. Good chance. Binigay kay number 18. Pass to number 1. Number 1, binigay kay number 16. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 20. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Jump shot. No good. Number 16. Pass to number 1. Number 1, diniretso na, pero pinasa kay number 14, Gonzales. Jump shot. No good. Outside. Your 16 team ball. Substitution. Rep. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 13 seconds. Score 8-19. Timeout. Checker team. 8-19 in favor of your 16 team. Number 1. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 14, Gonzales. Inangat, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni Gonzales for 2 points.
Nako, diyan ka nagbabad, sir. Inubos mo yung naman ito. Nakakuha ni number 2. Oh, Al Howard. Substitution, Rod. Lumusin. Paalala po sa lahat ng iinom ng tubig dito sa jug na to, huwag po ninyong bubuksan ng sobra-sobra kasi yung pihitan niya natatanggal. Yun lamang po.
Number 3, pass to number 1. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 11, pass to number 27. Number 27, binaba ng bola. Oh, foul. Number 3. 1. First personal foul, warning to penalty. Kala ko si number 3. I'm so sorry. Inbound, number 11, pass to number 10, 03. Foul. Penalty. Second personal foul, penalty. Remaining time, last 36 seconds. One point. Last one shot to Paltrow. 1 point again. Score 10-21 in favor of player 16 field. Number 14 dribble the ball. 30 seconds. Number 3. Outside. 21 seconds. No good. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. For 2. Number 3. Number 27, jump shot. No good. The end of the first quarter. 6 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound. Nakuha ni number 7. Oh, foul. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 24. Number 24, first personal foul. Second. Second, team foul.
Hindi ka nangiti. No, tawa ng tawa. Oh.
Again. Last one shot. 1 point. Number 20. Binaba na ang bola. Number 20. Pass to number, oh, libre. No good. Nagtirang pass. Number 23, Payawal. Pass to number 15. Number 15, dribble the ball. Pass to number 7, Artes. Pass to number 15, binigay kay number 23, Payawal. Binigay kay number 14, 3 to shoot. 2 to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Number 20. Ganap ng papasahan. Nakita sa number 25. Number 25, dribble the ball. Pass to number 20 again. Number 20. Jump shot. No good. Oh, outside na. Time out. Checker. Back to the ball game. Inbound, number 15, pass to number 16. Number 16, Guerrero, dribble the ball. Guerrero. Oh, outside. Inbound, number 16, pass to number 20. Number 20, binaba ng bola. Number 20, pass to number, oh, still by number 16, Guerrero. Number 16, pass to, oh, still then, number 25, pass break kay number 11. Number 11, hindi kinaliwa pa for 2 points. Number 8, binaba na ang bola. Pinasa na number 16. Number 16, dribble the ball. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 8, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 15, tinira, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 15 ang bola. Tinira again, no good again. Nakuha ni number 16, Guerrero. Pass to number 15. Binigay kay number... No good, scatter na. Number 13. Number 11. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 22. Pass to number 11. Nadulas. Nakuha ni number 16 ng checker team. Jump shot for 3 points. Remaining time, last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Score 17-29 in favor of your 16 team. Foul. Who's foul? Number 20.
20 ba yun?
Number 20. Oh, alam ho namin yan. Foul again.
Number 22.
Number 22. First personal foul. Warning to penalty. No good. Last one shot. No good again. Rebound by number 20 ng player 16 team. Nakuha ni number 15. Pass to number 13. Yun, nice to number 11. Pass to number 22 ng checker team. Jump shot, no good. Number 22 again, ang nakakuha ng bola. Pass to number 11, jump shot. Oh, 3 points. Number 16, binaba na ang bola. Number 16, dribble the ball. Sumalaksak. Foul. Timeout. Year 16. Who's foul rep?
16.
Number ano raw?
16.
Number 16. First personal foul. Penalty, di ba? Penalty. Yo ho. Okay, back to the ball game. Feels the color. One point mula sa tirang Paldraw ni number 16. Last one shot si Paldraw. 1 point again. Inbound, number 25. Pass to number 20. Number 20, binaba na ang bola. Number 20, dribble the ball. Pass to number 27. Still by number 15. Pero nakuha ni number 16. Pass break. Still naman ni number 27 ng checker team. Pass to number 20. Big shot. Sumalaksa. Jump shot. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 16. Second personal foul. First team foul. Two shots to Paltrow. 1 point. No good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15 going down. Number 15 dribble the ball. Pass to number 8. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 8 again. Pass to number 13. Binigay kay number 20. Jump shot for 2 points. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 44 seconds. Score 21-33 in favor of player 16. Number 20, pass to number 27, pass to number 16. Still, ay pasa kay number 13, pass to number 8. Number 8, binaba ang bola. Number 8, pass to number 16. Number 16, pumasok sa loob, umigot pa, nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul rep? Subdivision rep, number 20, second personal foul, penalty. One point. Subdivision rep. Inbound, number 11, pass to number 20. Number 20, pass to number 27. Pinigay kayo na, nakuha ng player 16 team ball. Number 8, pass break to number 14. Corsanes. Corsanes dribble the ball. Pass to number 20, Tinira. No good. Rebound by number 7. No good again. Number 7 again for 2 points. Ano yan?
Timeout.
Committee, timeout. O injury yan eh. Medic. Okay, subdivision rep.
Ano, back to the ball game na? Sarap yan. Puro laway mo ka.
Okay, inbound, number 25. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 25. Number 25, jump shot. No good. Rebound to number 7. Artes pass to number 14. Corsanes. Binigay kay number 6. Back to number 14. Jump shot. No good. One number 7 ang bola. Corsanes. Artes no good. Corsanes. No good again. Nakuha ni number 27 ang bola. Still by number 3 ng Pure 16 team. Number 11, pass to number 7, Artes. Foul. Number 16, second personal foul, penalty.
Pumasok yung pangalawa.
No good. Last one shot. No good again.
Red ball na lang.
Number 27, pass to number 24. Number 24 sumalaksak. Pero binigay kay number 11, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 11. Ang Pure 16 team. Last 1 minute. Number 6, no good. Libre na. 1 minute. Number 27, no good. Number 6, Dignos. Pass to number 11, Santos. No good. Ang tira ni Spot. Last 40 seconds. Number 16, jump shot. No good. Last 33 seconds. Still by number 24. Pass break to number 11. Still naman ni number 7 ng Pure 16 team. Pass to number 14. Libre kay number 11. For 0 points. Last 23 seconds. Number 27, pass to number 16. 10 seconds for 2 points. 10 seconds. Nakuha ni number 25, jump shot, no good. 2 seconds. The end of the Yung ball game. Back to the ball game tayo mga kapuso. Yan mga kapuso, back to the ball game tayo.
Ligan ko ang ventilador oh. Kaya lang ano yun eh. Nakatak lang. Wala siyang wala nga palang dala. Nakahanap ko yung hélice niya eh. Wala nasa loob. Maliit lang. Itong beses ko lang nagamit.
Inbound, number 14, pass to number 8. Number 8, dribble the ball. Back to number 14, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 7, no good. Winning number 29, pass to number 27. Foul! Number Number 16, third personal foul, first team foul. Is brought to you by Tubong Mahaba, Mataba, Matigas. Yan ang PVC ng Pinas. Nervous and Katchalis. Siguradong tanggal ang iyong galis sa Katchalis. That's one shot, 1 point. Inbound, number 14. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 8. Number 8, dribble the ball. Pass to number 7. Back to number 8. Pass to number 14, Corsanes. Binigay kay number 16. 8 to shoot. Jump shot ni number 14, no good. One in number 29, dribble the ball, sumalaksak. Pinira. Foul counted by number 29. Who's foul rep? Number 8. Second personal foul, second team foul. Ako pa rin ang checker team ang bola. Number 2, pass to number 27. Back to number 2. Number 2, dribble the ball. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 16. Ano ba yun? Still ng pure 16 team. 15 pala yun. Number 1, foul. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Number 05. First personal foul, first team foul. One point. No good. Number 27, pass to number 2. No good. Pushing foul. 29. First personal foul. Second team foul. Number 1. Binaba na ang bola. Pass to number 8. Binigay kay number 14, Corsanes. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 29 ang bola. Number 29. Sumalaksak. Umikot. Foul. Number 8. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Number 05. Pass to number 27. Jump shot. No good. Pass break ni number 7 kay number 1. Number 1. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni number 1 ang bola. Number 1. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 6. Number 16. Number 16. Dribble the ball. Sumalaksak. Kapit ang bola outside pero same ball. Substitution rep. Number 1. Pass to number 16. Pag dead ball po. Number 16, bigay ka na. 5 to shoot! Oh, troubling violation! Substitution rep! Substitution. Substitution. Inbound. Number 15. Number 29. Dribble the ball. Number 29. 10 to shoot. Number 27, jump shot for 2 points by number 27. Number 20, pass to number 14, nabitawan. Napalakas ang pasa, di naabutan. Outside, check out team ball.
14 kaya nila.
Number 29, dribble the ball.
Wala. Wala eh. Wala naman pagkakaroon.
Pass to number 27, jump shot for 3 points. Number 18, Datu on. Datu on. Pass to number 7, Artes. Di nakaganda. Number 27, timeout, your 16 team. Number 27. Referee back to the ball game. Okay, down, down, down. Number 14, pass to number 3. Pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 14. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 20, still by number 2. Let's check our team. Pass to number 29. Number 29, binababa na ang bola. Number 29, dribble the ball. Pinasa kay number 27, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 20 ng player 16 team. Pass to number 14, Corsanes. Corsanes, dribble the ball. Sumalaksak. Oh! Offensive foul by number 14. First personal foul. Rebound number 29, pass to number 27. Number 27, pass to number 15. Number 15, Junction. For 2 points. Inbound, number 7, pass to number 20. Number 20. Galing. Gugulong pa yun eh. Oh! Ganyan. Na normal na po yan dahil na live po tayo via satellite Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Okay, foul number 15. Warning to penalty. Sa susunod na lang daw po maglaro. Ang laki nun eh. Nagulat siya eh. Hindi, may magnet yung kamay ni katawan niya. Wow! No good! Sana 1 point na po tayo. Nakawaw ka lang. 1 point! What?
Warning,
Warning
warning.
to penalty. Warning to penalty. Both team.
Dito ba?
Both na lang.
Nagulat siya eh, malaki eh. Kaya dumibig yung kamay niya na lang eh.
Okay, inbound. Number 22. Tama ba? Pass to number 25. Pass to number 1982. Nakuha ni number 7 ang bola ng Pier 16 team. Artes. Pass to number 8. Number 8, Siason. Dribble the ball. Pinasa kay number 14, Corsanes. Binigay kay number 7, Artes. Gun shot. No good. Rebound by number 1982. Pass to number 29. Ah. Number 29, dribble the ball.
Nabubulo. Eh di, siya na yung 42.
Outside. Your 16 team ball.
1980. Tama ba? 49? Ay, 42 o 43? 43. Hindi, 42.
Number 8, pass to number 7, Artes. Jump shot for 2 points. Remaining time, last 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Score 42-34 in favor of Pier 16. Nabubulol na ako. Number 29, jump shot for 2.
Malakas din ko kakantulan natin dito eh. Hindi makakakuha ng ball. Counted ang deal.
Number 8, Shazon. Binababa ang bola. Shazon. Binigay kay number 18, back to number 8. Jump shot. Shazon for 2 points. Last 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 8, Shazon. Binaba na ang bola. Shazon, pass to number 14, Corsanes. Foul counted. Number 29, first personal foul. Penalty. Substitution. Ref. Substitution. Ref. Paalala lang po sa lahat ng iinom ng tubig sa water jug na magkabila na to. Huwag niyo po ninyong bubuksan ng todo dahil yung pihitan po ay natatanggal. 1 point, yun lamang po at maraming salamat. Mabuhay! Number 29, pass to number 27, jump shot for 3 points.
Kapatid yata ni Kylo to eh, no? Tapos?
Oh, sab daw siya. Ah,
Oo nga! Putya! Ah,
nakuha ni number 7, Artes. Hinira, no good. Rebound ni number 11, pass to number 27. Number 27, ganun siya kabilis. Foul! Foul! Counted ba, Red, o not?
Iloy.
Kaya nga, layo nga eh. Eh, ba't
malakpak sila.
Number 8, warning to
Number 8, warning
graduate.
to graduate. Penalty. Pumasok, pero
Counted ba eh?
Down, di ba?
Ang layo.
Down, di
Ang
ba?
layo niya. Hindi, teka lang. Ay, gagawin na kasi ako. Tanong lang nila.
wait lang ha, boss. Mga boss, nag-uusap pa yung dalawang official natin.
Tanong lang. Score.
39 to. Nag-rock 3 point, di ba kanina? Oo po, tama lang. Tama lang.
Oh, sige, sige. Not counted. Not counted. O sige, pasok lang po, substitution rep. Ang tawag ng ating official referee is not counted.
Mahakbang pa.
Hindi siguro napansin ng referee. Hindi napansin ng referee.
Ang napansin niya lang.
Nakatalikod kasi siya.
Oo.
Matalikod kasi siya.
Oo.
1 point.
Pero may scenario pa.
Last one shot to bounce roll. No good.
Nag-counting.
Inbound, number 27, pass to number 11, jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 13 na bola. Eight seconds violation.
Ang 8 seconds violation.
Inbound, number 27, pass to number 25. Follow up by number 11, no good. Rebound by number 7, pass to number 16. Number 16, diniretso pero pinasa patalikod kay number 11, tinira, no good. Rebound by number 14, jump shot, no good. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Number 29. Second personal foul. Penalty. Subdivision, rep. Subdivision. Richard to Pantera. 1 point. One point again. Number 11, binaba ng bola. Pinasa kay 1982, jump shot for 2 points. 1982.
Eat Bulaga, source. Ayun ang narinig yung boses eh, pag ganun boses. Boses ni Wally Bayola pagka commercial ng ito.
Number 16, pass to number 7. Number 7, back to number 16. Remaining time, last 2 minutes and 5 seconds. No good ang tirang spot. The score 49-42 in favor of Pure 16. Pure 16 ball. Inbound number 14, pass to number 16. Number 16, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 11, tinira. For 2 points, number 11. Number 03, binababa ng bola. Pass to number 27. Number 27, naghahanap ng papasahan. Balik kay number 03, pass to number 11. Number 11, jump shot. No good. Number 8, 1982, no good again. Rebound by number 13, pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to number 7. Number 7, Artes. Pass to number 11. Jump shot, no good. Nakuha ni number 27. Pass to number 1982. Jump shot for 2 points. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 13 seconds. Score 51-44 in favor of Pure 16 pa rin. Number 16, dribble the ball. Backcourt.
Ang backcourt. May humatak sa kanya, hindi ko makita.
Okay, inbound number 29. 27, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 27. Number 27, pass to number 1982. Jump shot, they're good. Rebound by number 20. Foul! Number 25. Third personal foul. Penalty. Two shots to Paltrow. 1 point. One point again. Last 50 seconds. Number 03, jump shot, no good. Last 40 seconds. Pass breaking number 7, getting number 14, Corsanes, foul. Number 1982. 1982, ibig sabihin 42 na siya. Oh.
Isa.
30 seconds. Wag.
Ubus na oras eh.
57, dribble the ball.
Last 30.
5 seconds. Number 11. Number 27, back by number 7. The end of the third quarter. Okay. Inbound, number 25, pass to number 29. Number 29, dribble the ball. Number 11, jump shot, no good. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 15, oh, jump ball. Number 15, binaba na ang bola.
Roll on.
Number 15, napitawan ang bola. Nakuha ni number 11, pass to number 05. Oh, ang taas ng pasa. Outside. Your 16 team ball. Number 7, Artes, pass to number 16, pass to number 18, number 18, pass to number 20, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 15. He's still by number 15. Nakuha ni number 7 ball. Oh! Kitang-kita ang ating referee. First personal foul, offensive. Ganyan ang ating ganyang kalinaw ang mata ng ating referee. Meron siyang 635,000 megapixel. Number 29, dribble the ball. Pass to number 15. Number 15, no good. Ang tirang spot. Outside. Pure 16 team ball. We score 56-46 in favor of Pure 16 team. Number 18, pass to number 16.
Kanina pa pa sila eh.
No good. Ang tirang spot.
Oo nga. Sana dinagaya eh.
Number 29. Pass to number 15, jump shot. No good. One in number 7, pass to number 16. The timer. Timer for 2. Time out. Ano? Check it.
Ganyan sa ano eh, sa Shaolin Soccer, siya yung isa sa pinakamalakas doon.
Kaya mo na, oh.
Number 29. Dribble the ball. Number 29 pass to number 25, jump shot. No good. Number 25 again for 2 points. Number 15. Binaba ng bola. Garano. Garano. Pass to number 16. Number 16 dribble the ball. Time to shoot. 8 to shoot. Number 18 jump shot. No good. Oh. Number 29, binaba ng bola. Number 29, dribble the ball. Sumalaksa, umikot ng umikot at tinira for 2 points. Kailangan pala, ikot ka ng ikot. So, binabawa na ni number 7, Artes ang bola. Number 7, dribble the ball. Pass to number 18, binigay ka number 16. Number 16, jump shot for 2. The timer. Number 29, dribble the ball, pass to number 7. Oh, Robin violation. Binabanan ni number 15 ang bola, pass to number 20. Number 20, pass to number 16. Back to number 15. Number 15. Pinasa ka na. Oh! Madulas ang bola para kay number 20. Outside. Sugar team ball. Number 29. Dribble the ball. Number 29. Turn to shoot. Jump shot in number 25. No good. Nakuha ni number 18 ang bola. Number 18. Pass to number 16. Number 16. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Oh! Foul. Here's foul rep. Number 16. Who's foul rep? Rep, who's foul rep? 1982.
Paano yun? Paano yun?
Ilan na?
Second personal foul, first team foul. 1 point. Plus 1 shot to Paltero. One point again. Number 29, pass to number 27, jump shot for 3 points. Rebound, number 18, pass to number 15. Last 5 minutes and 16 seconds. Score 62-53. Lamang pa rin ang Pure 16 team. Now, tinapig ang bola. Foul. Number 11. Number 11, first personal foul. Second team foul. Inbound, number 15. Up, inbound. Inbound, number 15. Pass to number 14, Corsanes. Corsanes, pass to number 18. Jump shot. No good. Checker team ball. Inbound, number 25, pass to number 29. Number 29, dribble the ball. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Dribble ang bola, jump shot. For 2. Naiwan. Galing. Number 15. Pass to number 14. Number 14, Corsanes. Ang tawag, foul. Number 29. Number 29. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Inbound number 7, pass to number 80. Oh, he step on the line. Ganyang kalinaw ang mata ng referee. Naka 630,000 megapixel yan. Walang tawag. Number 29, jump shot. No good. Nakuha ni number 15. Outside, check the ball. Inbound, number 25. Is still by number 15, ng Pier 16. Pass to number 7. Number 7, pass to number 14. Number 14, sumalaksak, tinira for 2. Inbound, number 29. Oh, sorry. Pier 16 team ball. Outside, ang tawag ng referee. Inbound, number 15, pass to number 18, pass to number 14. Corsanes, back to number 18, the 2 on. The 2 on, back to number 14. Corsanes, dribble the ball. Turn to shoot. Outside. Substitution, rep. Number 29, binaba na ang bola. Number 29, dribble the ball. Pass to number 27. Number 27, binigay ka number 11. Oh! Anong tawag?
Wow.
Foul. Who's foul rep?
14.
Number 14. Number 14, second personal foul. First team foul. No good. Rebound by number 15, pass to number 7. Number 7, pass break to number 14. Number 14, Corsanes. Corsanes. Pass to number 16. Guerrero, the timer. Back to number 14, Corsanes. Oh, outside. Checker team ball. Pass break to number 27, get number 29. Finish shot. Number 29, dribble the ball. Still, pero outside, same ball. Number 27, dribble the ball. Pass to number 11, jump shot. No good. Finishing, no good. Number 16, Guerrero, the timer, no good. Number 20, still there, number 15. Number 15, pass to number 16. Number 16, dribble the ball. Number 7, Artes. Diniretso na. No good. Ang tirang spot. Nakuha ni number 11 ang bola. Number 11, binaba na agad ang bola. Number 11, pass to number 29. Number 29, dribble the ball. Number 20, still there, number 15. Number 15, pass to number 14. Number 14, pass to number 16. Number 16, pinigay kay number 7, tinira, no good. Nakuha ni number 19, 82, pass to number 27. Number 27, pass to number 29, jump shot for 2 points. Time out, Pier 16 team.
Ulitin ko po, yung mga may motor pong may-ari sa gilid po ng ating basketball court. Ano yun?
Isa na lang.
Both team, tig-isa na lamang po ang inyong timeout. Number 16, pass to number 15. Binigay kay number 14 ng bola, foul. Ako ng foul. Who's foul? 0-3.
Warning.
Number 03, warning to graduate. Ano ba?
First thing ba? Kasi tinatanong.
First,
Tinatanong niya kasi.
first personal foul, warning to penalty. Number 05, pass to number 27. Number 27, dribble the ball. Number 27, jab shot, block by number 15. Number foul. Foul number.
Sino? Kasi.
First personal foul. Second team foul.
Sir, kung walang buhay sa amin ang kontrata yun, sir, ah. Walang kontrata. Pumasok ba?
No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good again. Oh. Anong tawag? Offensive.
Foul. 25 warning to graduate.
Penalty tayo, sir.
Warning to graduate 25.
Number 25, warning to graduate. Penalty. No good. Last one shot to Paltrow. No good. Nakuha ni number 27. Number 27, biniba ng bola. Number 27, pass to number 05. Number 05, jump shot for 2 points. Rebound, number 8, pass to number 15. Number 15, pass back to number 14, Gonzalez. Number 14, Simalaksak, nilayap for 2. Rebound, number 15, pass to number 27. Number 27 going down. Number 27, dribble the ball. Number 27. I-dribble ang bola. Number 27, pass to number 05. Number 05, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 15, number 16. Foul. Number 03. Second personal foul. Penalty. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 21 seconds. Score, 66-59. O, 67 na. Sige. In favor of Pure 16 PM. No good. Nakuha ni number 14 ang bola. Corsanes. Pass to number 15. Back to number 14. Corsanes. Binigay kay number 16. Guerrero. Back to number 14. Pass to number 7. Artes. Jump shot. No good. Jump shot. Number 25. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 27. Number 27, dribble the ball. Sumalaksak. Oh, tinawagan ng foul. Good foul. Number 8. Number 8, Broadway. Third team foul. Last 55 seconds. Substitution, Brad. 55 seconds. The score 67-59. Labang pa rin po ang Pure 16 team. Number 25, pass to number 15, jump shot. Jump shot na naman. Number 14, Corsanes. Dribble the ball. Corsanes, pass to number 11.
Number 11. 11 to shoot. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Number 11. No good. Last 20 seconds. Jump shot. No good. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Kaya ba yan? May naghagis na po ng puting panyo sa gitna ng laban. Ibig sabihin, sumurrender na po ang coach. And the winner is your